Greetings, Racing and Dragonflies. This is Ragnarok, and this is more Ratchet and Clank. Alright, so now we're going to the arena. In the last episode, I felt like I was fighting like a pansy. In this episode, I'm fighting like a winner. Alright, so... in the last episode also, I had bad luck. I hate this part. Can I just drive on top? Because I hate going in. I really do. Because I don't know if I'm going to fall or not. There we go, I got it. Alright, was there a secret somewhere? I believe there was a secret in one of these. Hello. Alright. This is gonna get boring. No pansy me, no pansy me. Ouch. Good. Everybody dead.
Jump between walls by jumping toward a wall and pressing X again as you hit it. To aim weapons more accurately, press and hold L1.
Oh, L1. I was gonna say, I'm pushing R1. Hey, good luck time. Cool, alright. You missed on every single one of those shots. That one didn't, though. Cool. Ah, you freaking idiot. Ammo. Ammo. Good. Enter battle arena.
particular, this guy.
This guy. This guy.
All of our gladiators.
That's the name of the episode. This guy.
If he can't make it past our gladiators, he'll receive a consolation prize. Let the games begin.
And this is exactly where I level up all my weapons super fast. Because I play these forever. But not for the recordings. Too bad. I know. I know I'm on a rampage. Alright, so yeah. Good.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first and, well, only winner of the Gladiator Games, this guy.
This guy.
You're now eligible for a championship series. Come back and fight again for big cash prizes.
I like that. This guy. Okay, I'll do these things off screen. I mean, the ones that I did already, I'm gonna do off screen to get to bolts and stuff like that. I'm gonna do those off screen, not the ones that I haven't done yet. Alright, so this one I gotta do.
Where did this guy come from?
I came from a planet. That's where I came from. I can't use this gun anymore. I can't use this gun anymore. I know what? Screw you, dude. I'm gonna use this gun still. Did I gun level up yet? Dude, I suck. Come on. Level up. Unless it hasn't already, but...
You have won the prize.
Okay.
Choose a battle and win the prize.
Sure, why not?
Returning to battle is everyone's favorite gladiator. He slices, he dices, and carves up a main dish. Please welcome Chain Blade.
Ouch. I can do these without taking hits. I know I can. I did before. Now you know what? Screw you, dude. I'm gonna kick your butt now. dies. You know, he dies just like Captain Quark.
Choose a battle.
He does. He dies just like Captain Quark. I can finally get this gun. Yay! Ta-da! This gun's good for this. That was easy.
You have won the prize. Choose a battle and win the prize.
Alright, B2 Brawler? Why
On
not?
the planet Cerebella comes a colossal creation. Stand back for the big, the B2 Brawler.
This is what you do when you have a trigger finger. You just keep on shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting. And then you win!
Down and out. And the prize goes to you.
Ah, that was pretty easy. 60 enemies in 60 seconds. Let's do it then. That was pretty easy.
And the prize goes to you.
Mega challenge. That sounds like fun. This is like my second favorite gun. It really is. That's why I'm so good with it. But then again, I would always say everybody has to be good with this gun. No one can fail at this. Can you? Round 10, round 9, I mean. This is round 9. Okay.
Returning to battle is everyone's favorite gladiator. He slices, he dices,
Where is he?
and carves up
Oh, there he is.
Please welcome
Chainblade. Oh, dead Chainblade. Oh, dead Chainblade. Oh, dead. Because I can still hit you even though you're up in the air. Oh, yeah.
Chainblade really got his hand full in this one.
You guys, I'm not even trying. That's why that's why he's hitting me. I'm not even trying.
mega challenge.
Oops, that's not what I wanted to push.
See you later.
Hold on, one minute.
Shoot.
1 minute. Alright, let's see. This one. I can only use this gun. So, what you do is if you run out of ammo, you die. So what you need to do is you keep on jumping around these enemies, let them kill each other. If possible. Until there's only one guy left.
I don't care what galaxy you're from. That's gotta hurt.
There, see? Now he's only by himself, so I just do that and that. He's dead. That's round 1. I just used 2 ammo out of 15 rounds. Only. Now I think these guys are a little bit harder. They can hurt each other though, they can. Ouch. They do 2 hearts of damage too. There we go. Now these fire ones, I don't think can hurt. You can hurt each other, so you have to do this. There. Same with these guys. You can't do anything with these guys. This is a lot easier if you have Clank with you, actually, because you can actually hover then. There. Alright, so there are those guys. Let me get rid of these fire guys first. There we go. Cool. Oh, fire guys. Let me kill those fire guys. And then do this. And then that. And then that. And then kill.
Furry guy is on a rampage.
Let's see something. Is it possible? And I ran right into that. I was an idiot. Screw it. These guys are all going down. Well, believe it, Toaster Head. That's in Ratchet and Clank 3. This is Ratchet and Clank 2. Which I will be playing next is Ratchet and Clank 3. I will be playing that next. This okay. I gotta conserve some ammo here. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, I did it.
You have won the prize. Choose a battle and win the.
How about no? Actually, how about we just do the chain blade thing and then I'll show you. There, well, that's a good idea. Let's do the tank team thing and then after that I'll show you. Alright, so tank team it is. Alright, so grab it.
Chain blade.
One, two, three. Isn't it his turn? Yeah, thank you. One, two, three. And then, let's see. This gun, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Enter chain blade. Hands full with this one.
Dang it. This is gonna be really hard. There, bombs. Bombs? Am I even hurting him? No, I'm not. Alright, multi-star now. This is close.
This guy.
Oh! Oh god. Sorry guys, my phone wanted to fall. Sorry. Oh man, sorry guys. Let me fix that. That was horrible.
Or you can jump on screen.
There. Let's quickly finish this.
Chain blade has been defeated.
Oh my god, this is horrible. That's it, dang it. Alright, we died.
Choose your.
Let's see, I'm just gonna cut it off here. See ya.